Spread your wings and prepare to fly. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka Beauty Max. In today's video, I'll be doing a sexy G-string collection panty haul, and this is from Shopee. And this is our part 2 of our bridal collection. So if you haven't seen my bridal lingerie part 1, I'll leave up and hope you can watch that video. In today's video, we are doing a bridal lingerie panty haul. And of course, this is an affordable Shopee lingerie. Of course, another online shopping. You know, I've been doing this lingerie haul for a long time. And Shopee is my go-to. There are a variety of vendors. If you're interested, just comment down below. So I'll give you my suggestions on where to find your best lingerie. Alright, so if you're excited for our 2 items that I got for you here, are you excited? Yes. Of course, when you're talking about bridal lingerie, we are talking about what color? Of course, it's white, right? White. Color white. Diba? Dapat lang color white kasi nga bridal lingerie. Well, there are also like blacks. Yes, bridal lingerie if you are into that mood. But mostly bridal is for white because it's fresh, right? Looking. Alright, so our first bridal lingerie. Are you excited? Okay. Here you go. Item number 1. Bam! So shallow. It's in this packet, you know. And the first we got here. Oh, it says here also underwear. Underwear for women, right? Okay, first, Sharon. Alright, this is see-through as well. Look at that, guys. Wow, lace. Very nice, intricate. Prices for this is like 65 and above. I will leave it here, okay, on the screen. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? First item we got here. Lace type, embroidery, not really, just lace. Lace, very see-through. More of a conservative type look, no, but very, of course, she's still very sexy with this one. We got a ribbon here on the side, and yeah, string as well on the side. Look at that. Rubber is good. Yes, this is good. Wheel belt, yes. And the material, okay, pocket area, it's like a mix, no? Nylon with cotton, probably around 70, only 70 or maybe 30% cotton. Yes, here. Better with cotton. It's very good for your down there. Okay, so this is how it looks. Look at that. Very nice. You will feel very sexy with this. Yeah, that's part of si Ellen Adorna wearing this. Very classic, you know, right? Lace. Yeah, Ellen Adorna. Sana naman makita mo ta. Hi, Dai. Alright, so hindot siya, guys. It's very beautiful, sexy, and very attractive for you guys. I like it. Do you like it? Diba nice? Very light too, guys. So this is what it looks like. So nice, beautiful, attractive. Yes, eye-catching. Yes. Alright, so are you excited for our next item for today, for our panty haul from Shopee? Alright, guys. So this is our second item for today. Jadan! I really like opening it like on screen. Better for me, like I get excited than opening it beforehand, before filming, because I don't know, I feel like words are coming out better for me when I do a like first impression on the items I got. Okay, Tadam! Look at that, guys. Very, very familiar to me. Look at that. Wow, G-strings. Very sexy, guys. Look at that. O, diba? Lumilipad ang pakpak ng paru-paru. Unsa daw? Diba? Spread your wings and prepare to fly. O, diba? Kasi butterfly. Right in the siya, guys. It's very, very nice, beautiful. The design is really nice. Look at that, nice. Very, very nice, you guys. And of course, the back. See, look at the back. T-back. G-string. Look at a butterfly design. It looks like embroidery. Yes, embroidery. Transparent in the back side here. Yeah, transparent see-through panty. Yes, look at that. And my lucky charm of my channel is always been a butterfly. I do like it, guys. Very nice. Somewhat like a very delicate material here. There's a floss here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that. A little floss on the, like, I don't know, maybe this was they didn't QC it that much. Yeah, there's a little bit of flaw here. Okay, but overall, you know, see through over here, and maka ano ka dito, guys, maka Ivan Alawi ka dito. I hope she's feeling better. Oh, diba? Maganda. It looks very, very social. In your honeymoon, yes, with your, you know, loved one will not, cannot really look. I doubt. Let's see, look at that. So pretty. I like it so much, you guys. Again, let's take a look. Nice. Okay, and the back side. Again. It's really nice. It's very beautiful. Yes. Okay, so this is our women's lingerie panty haul for today from Shopee, and this is my bridal collection part 2. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye! It's sakit kaya ko di. Nagluhod pa. That's it. Uy, naminod ako.